Hey there, have you encountered a situation where you wanted to open the door but found your smart lock was completely out of power, leaving you stranded outside? If you are looking for a smart, secure, and convenient way to upgrade your front door without the constant anxiety of a dead battery, then you are in the right place, because today we are taking a closer look at the DESLOC k120 smart lock. It offers full remote control and advanced biometric security, but its real superpower is its industry-leading endurance. Before we get into it, quick heads up, this video is sponsored by DESLOC and they sent this over for me to check it out, but as always, my thoughts remain completely honest, genuine, and based on real use. So right out of the box, as you can see, the lock comes with all the necessary accessories to make the installation quick and simple. You don't need complicated tools, and it automatically adjusts to left or right hand doors, making it an easy upgrade for almost any home. And when it comes to installation, as you can see, it's super easy and straightforward, like installing any regular door lock. It takes just a few minutes and it's ready to use. So now let's talk about security, which is the main thing when it comes to door locks, because this is where the K120 really stands out. It features advanced fingerprint recognition with next-gen biometric technology that works fast and accurately even with wet or worn fingers. Your fingerprint data is stored locally, adding an extra layer of privacy and protection. Now let's talk about the standout feature of the K120 lock, which is the battery life. This is where this lock truly beats the competition. It is equipped with a powerful 15,000 mAh rechargeable battery where it can last up to 16 months on a single charge. But here is the real game changer, which is the ultra long standby mode. When the battery level drops below 5%, the K120 automatically enters the specialized mode, which can last for up to one full year. This ensures that even if you have ignored the low battery alerts for months, you can still unlock your door for that critical last time. And for extra peace of mind, there is still an emergency Type-C charging port just in case. In terms of durability, this lock is built to handle real-world conditions, as it's IP65 waterproof, tested for over 100,000 cycles, and designed to perform reliably whether it's installed indoors or on your front door exposed to the elements. And when it comes to unlocking methods, as you can see, you have definitely more options, either by typing the code, using the key, or your fingerprint, so you definitely have options to choose from. You can also lock and unlock and configure a lot of things using the app, which adds more convenience to the overall package. Overall, the DESLOC K120 combines convenience, security, and smart features into one solid package, perfect for modern homes, rentals, or anyone looking to ditch traditional keys. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing DESLOC lock, the K120. So if you are ready to upgrade your home security, I have a special discount code for you, which you can find in the description below along with the link. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace.